loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anaya, and if you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. In this video, girl, we finishing our whips and we starting some whips. I was sitting here crocheting and I'm like, this would be way funner if I was making a video. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, making a video, it just really motivates you and get those juices going and make you want to finish the project, because I want to try to see what I'm working on. Girl, watch this. If you're trying to finish your whips or you starting some whips and you just need somebody to talk to or listen to, you ain't got no friends like me, for real, this video is for you. Currently working on these pants, finishing them up, and I'm on the next pants leg. I tried to go for like a color pop type of vibe. Yeah, this is what we're working on. And I also have to do a wavy brim hat order, so I need to get that done. I've been procrastinating, but we're done with that. We're done. I'm done procrastinating. I'm back. It is what it is. I'm working on my whips. I'm finishing my whips, y'all. I had took some real tea pictures. Let me show y'all. Working on these pants, and I really want to finish them so I can take some cute pictures, because I just want to be in my picture bag. You can't tell me she's not tea. I'm taking it. I took it home. I did it. Y'all know what I realized? I never smile on my pictures, and I feel like it's because, like, y'all know how, like, if you look at pictures back from the olden days, none of them was smiling. That's how I be feeling sometimes. Like, ain't nothing to smile about right now. Plus, I just like to serve face sometimes. Like, is it serving face? Like, I'm feeling real unserious today, and this is the aftermath. Y'all gotta deal with it because y'all signed up for it. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing, and whatever else I start working on, because y'all know me, things never go as planned, but it will go as planned today because this is a big project already, and I already been working on it, and I might as well go ahead and finish it. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this, and I hope y'all get something done. And if you don't get nothing done, that's okay too, girl. At least you can watch me get something done, and you could just live through me. It's okay, I understand. This is what I have on now, but this is what I had on, but just with like a black, it was a different shirt. So, but I had waste water all over my clothes. Like, I will never stop making cardigans, ever. So let me figure out what shade of purple. They ordered a purple wavy brim hat. I can knock that out real quick, so I feel like I should probably get started on that today. Like this purple, but I don't know if I have enough. I'm gonna do this purple because I got a lot of it and I don't have to worry about going by no more of running out and stuff. So I'm gonna start on this after I do a few more rows on my pants, because that's kind of my top priority right now. Okay, I hope y'all not cricket, but anyways, let's go ahead. So let me give y'all a little update on the pants, because I think I showed them in my last video, but we got way further now. Like, the pants legs, and they real fun, they real colorful, and I'm just excited. This is my first ever pair of pants. I kind of got the inspo, like, for the actual pants from my mutual Life's Not So Bad, love her down. And so she normally does like the granny square, and I'm like, that is so smart, because I never fully get my measurements right for pants or shorts, because, like, I'm not built bad or nothing. Like, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that, but, like, I don't know, but this way is real tea. And I think next, because I'm really sticking to my word this year. Like, when I said I was gonna make half my wardrobe, I'm not playing this year. Like, I played the last few years, but I'm not playing. Like, wardrobe is gonna be tea, and I actually been wearing my pieces like multiple times. So I'm thinking I want to make like a granny square floor length skirt, because I have this gray skirt that I just love so much. So tea in crochet form. So yes, I'm sticking to my word this year, and I'm making everything I'm telling y'all that I'm gonna make. That's that. I've been doing like random little peekaboo colors and stuff, just feeding in colors randomly. It's not really a pattern or nothing that I can really tell y'all, because I'm just winging it. I can make clothing tutorials because I literally have to try everything on as I make it. I don't even know how I would be able to explain certain things. Plus, sometimes, y'all, don't be letting these crochet artists fool y'all. Stuff be ugly sometimes. Like, let me show y'all. In the middle, it wouldn't stay, so I just tied a knot. Yeah, it's not glitz and glam. These basically, it's like some scrap pants kinda, cause half these colors been sitting on my cart for so long and I'm so tired of seeing them, so we got to get them gone. Colors and stuff, this is just gonna be so, if these come out tea, y'all, for summer, I'ma make some more, but I want to make like some solid color ones, or some like more, not brighter colors, but like warm bright colors, if that makes sense. I feel like that'd be so cute. Like, these are like boom out there. Like, I could wear these for the summer and stuff, but like I want some more so like subtle, dark, bright, bold statement piece colors. Like, what are y'all working on? Tell me what y'all working on. I'm not gonna lie, in the comments I be reading what some of y'all be making, and I really be jealous, because I be like, dang, that really sound cute. If only I had the mental capacity to actually do the stuff that I be saying I want to make all the time. Y'all, I would be unstoppable. Y'all would have to come and take the hook out of my hands. I'm not even gonna lie. The funny thing is, I always be like, okay, I'm not gonna really do no crochet video this week, and then I'll be sitting here in bed crocheting, or I'll be sitting on the floor. I mainly be sitting on the floor all day, I'm not gonna lie. I'll be sitting on the floor and I'm like, a video would be so fun to do right now, because if I'm already doing it, why don't I just record? Like, I can't escape the crochet videos, y'all. Like, I don't just do this for content at this point. Like, I be trying to convince myself that it's just for content, but no, like, I really live this lifestyle. I'm really sitting on the floor all day crocheting like I'm in a workshop or something. Like, I want to come and show y'all too my little pouch I made. It's a stitch happens, like, cause stuff do be happening, you get it, like, stitch happens. I'm gonna make some more. I'm gonna put them on my site for y'all so y'all can get one if y'all want one. And so I just got like my tape measure in it, my compression gloves that I'm always losing, I need to have on, my crochet hooks, some scissors, and then my cute girly stitch markers. Like, it's a little martini glass. Like, that's just so cute. I'm definitely gonna make more. Y'all, this used to be a pickle jar, and I have like this weird obsession lately. It just came back. I used to have it and it went away, but I like drinking out of old jars, like after you wash them and stuff and rip like the labels off. Perfect size. And I've been on this lemon water so bad lately, y'all. Like, I got like 4 mason jars in a refrigerator of lemon water ready to go. I'm gonna take a break from talking. I'm gonna give it a minute. I give y'all like a little 60-second montage so y'all can have a little second of silence. So
get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so you, baby.
hey girl, didn't call you back yesterday. Don't know why I didn't call back, but on my pants all day, been sitting here on this floor all day working. I'm like on my last row, I think, and do a row with y'all, or I steam them and I want to try them on. I can get like a little before and after. They look cute so far, so I'm excited, but I'm nervous. This is my first pair of pants like ever. This is very, what's the word, monumental? I don't know, girl, but we got a few more stitches and I'm gonna try them on. And y'all, I think I might have to go to Joann's, because y'all know Joann's closing. That leaves us with Michael's and Hobby Lobby. Kind of haven't been going to Joann's no more, but potentially might be closing the one in my city. So they haven't said it yet, but I feel like if y'all already closing the other ones, I'm not about to trust y'all. I got trust issues. I'm not about to trust y'all. So I might do me like a little pickup order because I don't have no self-control to go in there. So if y'all want to see that, let me know, because we can go together, girl. I've been just doing random colors at this point, and it's just one of these YOLO moments. The change in color was so fun to see though. I don't even remember when I started these. I think I started them last week. I don't know what day last week though, but I'm ready to be done with them because I want to make another pair in a different color. Oh, and I started on the hat order. My mind had to finish this. Like, I could not sit and act like I didn't care about it, sit and act like it wasn't on my mind. So I'm finishing my pants, and then I'm gonna finish this. So let me finish these last few stitches and go try them on. This is them. Ooh, I don't want y'all to see my toes. This is them pre-steamed. This one is shorter for some reason. I don't know. I gotta add some more length. I don't know yet. And I still gotta take the waist in some, because I want it to be like, I don't know, either I'm gonna add a drawstring or I'm gonna take the waist in. So this is what they looking like. Calling you back. Finished the pants. Had a mental breakdown while making the pants because like the crotch area wasn't given, but I somewhat fixed it. But it's just a little lesson for the next time I make some more, you know. So I'll try them on for y'all tomorrow. I'm about to go ahead and work on this hat, finish this hat order tonight so I can print the shipping label out, get that up out of here, because I want to start like a little carpet scrap yarn rug that I see on Pinterest. I'll put a picture somewhere right here while I yap. But yeah, I'm gonna get cute this weekend probably and take pictures. So make sure y'all follow my Instagram. I'm getting on my Zoom. I want to start crocheting more clothes. Like, these fit like a glove, girl. Like, they fit so good. Like, I am so proud. It just go to show I don't need to go to the store. I got clothes at home. I need to put that hook up more often. The pants are so tea. Like, I cannot wait to make another pair. Like, I just feel like once you make something for the first time that you've been wanting to make, and like it come out somewhat tea, somewhat decent, it just fuels you to want to make more stuff. Like, girl, I want some capris. See them on TikTok, not TikTok, Instagram. I want some capri. I'm so excited. I'm excited. Like, new levels. Like, I can't wait to show y'all in the morning. I'm gonna show y'all in the morning when it's more, you know, better lighting and stuff. And I can't promise you that I'm gonna call you back today. So am I gonna call you back? Probably not. Good night. Hey, we're calling y'all back because I wanted to show y'all this hat, and I also wanted to try my pants on for y'all. So finished the wavy brim. Y'all, I haven't made a wavy brim in so long, but just a purple plain boring hat. Found all of these hats that I had made, and then I gotta put on my site. Girl, I got so much stuff to put on my site. So the cutest moment ever, honey. So I have to try these pants on. I'm not changing my shirt, so y'all will see pictures because I'm gonna get cute looking probably this weekend. I don't know, depending on how I'm feeling. So this is the pants. Don't look at my toes. I still got some ends I need to weave in, and I might steam them again. This red shirt really throwing it off. I'm tired. I'm about to go ahead and start working on my rug. I don't know yet. I still don't know what I want to do with myself. I have been having fun. Finish these. I want to work on a next clothing piece. I'm gonna wait till I genuinely know what I want to make, because I don't know what I want to make yet, so I don't want to just be making stuff. It's the bag of scraps, because I want the mat to have some black in it. Go on my handy dandy little bag and find random hook, because I don't know what size hook I want to use. Probably a big one though. I think I might use this 10mm. I mean 6, because I want it to look kind of chunky looking. I just want it to be colorful. I want it to be cute. I want it to be tea. So I am about to freehand this rug thingy, because I keep seeing them on Pinterest, and I was in Five Below and I seen some, and I'm like, girl, I could probably crochet that. I really need to spend money. I'm probably not gonna finish it this week, but that's okay, because I want it to be a decent size, so I'm not gonna just rush and do it for content. once I run out of this, I have a whole nother, like, it might look like this just one color, but it's not. It's a whole bunch of other scrap yarn, and I'm just gonna keep adding to this little ball as I go. I don't have no specific color scheme I want to go for. I don't have none of that. We're just vibing, we're having fun. I've been trying out different hook sizes. Like, I haven't just been using my 5mm. I've been real heavy on that 5.25 and that 5.50. Okay, so I'm literally on the couch crocheting, watching my little show, drinking my kombucha. I started on the rug. We have so far. I want it to be real long, so that's why I feel like I'm not gonna finish it. It's real fun. I just ran out of my pre-roll for the mix, so I'm about to make another one. This ball of scraps with the I'm thinking of doing like little pieces, like the like little tassels. Yeah, so watch my show, drink my kombucha, finish crocheting. Well, I'm gonna let y'all watch me mix ball. And yeah, we girl, we on the roll when it comes to these whips. We're doing great. I hope y'all doing y'all projects. If you're not doing your project, it's okay. I'm gonna spare you today. I'm gonna spare you, but pick up that whip and finish that whip, because we getting our whips done this year. Like, I finished them pants and I'm real proud. I haven't been procrastinating, so yeah, I'm about to stop yapping because I don't feel like I don't really want to talk right now. Like, hey bestie, calling y'all back for the last time because I wanted to show y'all that I finally put something together, and just I also wanted to end the video and show y'all how far I got on the rug. The pants, they came out so good, so tea, so girl la la la. I outdid myself with these. I just outdid myself so much. This is the progress on the rug. Not much done yet, but like, I said it wasn't gonna be like a quick little project. I decided that I want the tassel look on the ends. I'm gonna figure out how to do that and add that to like the bottom every other few rows. I don't remember if I told y'all or not. And girl, we got what we needed to do done. I had a great week with y'all. I just had to call y'all back and give y'all the tea. I know this part's probably real unorganized, but I had fun. I'm happy I finished my pants. Ready to make more. We know what we need to do differently next time, basically. But like, y'all, look at the pictures, just a little sneak peek. Well, y'all gonna see the pictures before this video, but she just took it. She took it. I ate it. I'm done. I chowed down. I was hungry. I ate. I'm fulfilled. Anyways, y'all already know the drill. I love you, and you know we go together what? Real bad. And I'm gonna call you when I call you. And if you didn't finish your whips, it's okay. I still love you. And if you did finish your whips, you're T. Bye.